yung mga dinadala ko pag nasa set na or kunyari ayaw ko magdala ng masyadong maraming makeup. So, I'll show you kung ano yung laman ng aking basic makeup kit. Essential brushes. So, and kailangan nakalagay siya sa... Wala akong fancy na lalagyan. Nasa ziplock lang siya. Hindi naman kailangan fancy. So, meron akong pang blush, pang powder, contour, pang under eye, and pang contour sa nose. So, you only need these 5 na brushes for everyday or pang retouch. And then next is, of course, my powders. I have 3 colors. So, meron ako nung NC40, 42, and D. Tatlo, kasi when you do your makeup, meron yung light areas, which is yung under eye. So, yung pinaka-light na powder yun. And then yung, kasi kulay ng skin ko, para sa ibang parts ng face. And then, of course, for contour, yung dark, para mag-get ang face natin, diba? So I have 3 kinds of powders. Next is setting powder, translucent powders from Laura Mercier. Translucent para mawala yung oiliness ng skin and mag-stay yung makeup sa face mo. You know, oiliness is next to haggardness. So kailangan din ng translucent. So even if wala kang ibang makeup sa face nyo, ayaw nyo mag-powder ng kulay or whatever, you can just use this as your everyday powder pag gising nyo sa umaga or lalabas kayo if you want to wear makeup. This is it. Translucent powder. Next is, what do I have here? Oh, yeah. Skin tint. O kaya, very, very light foundation from NARS. Very, ano lang siya, skin light lang. Hindi siya ganun ka coverage. So, I like to wear this pag dating kasi usually 24 hours kami nag-taping or ayoko ng heavy sa face. So, ito yung ginagamit ko. And this is my concealer from Too Faced. It's a multi-use sculpting concealer. Pwede siyang pang contour, highlight, or retouch. But this is my concealer for the under eyes, tip the nose, para, again, pag yung pagod, patatago yung sa mata nyo. So again, if you don't want to use much makeup, these are the best products. Next up is my favorite. This is my favorite since meron kasi akong kilay talaga. Ito na lang ginagamit ko from A Palette, yung Lasting Eyebrows. For 24 hours siya, it will stay. So, yun siya. So, to fill in yung parang butas-butas na area sa kilay nyo, this is really good. Waterproof. Kilay is life. And then, blush on. I like using this glossy. Liquid siya. Liquid na very, nag-blend siya sa skin mo. So, parang ano yung drunk blush. This is very perfect. Glossy. Okay siya. Maliit siya, pero sobrang tagal bago maubos. It's in case. Kaya lang be careful kasi medyo mahirap siya. Make sure you close your talaga. And then, of course, lipstick. I have a dark lipstick and then meron din akong medyo nude. So this is Sunny's and 3CE. So you always have to have, for me, you always have to have dark lipstick and nude lipstick. Para in the morning, you use your nude lipstick. If ever lalabas kayo sa gabi, gamitin niyo yung dark lipstick, diba? Para mabilis. And of course, a small mirror with magic, diba? Siyempre, ayaw yung magdala ng malaking mirror sa bag nyo. This will help you. So, pag nasa kotse kayo, gusto nyo mag-retouch, mag-ilaw, mahirap, this is the way to go. Get yourself a small mirror with LED light. And lastly, guys, my favorite. Hindi ko nga alam ba't nasa makeup kit ko. Nasa essential basic makeup kit ko. Alam niyo itong Blisstick sa paa. Pag nakakilos kayo, this is wax. Lalagay niyo siya sa may, sa likod ng ankle. Di ba kapag masikip pa yung sapatos, o masakit yung sapatos, o sa pinky toe nyo, lagay nyo to. And parang magsaslide lang siya, so hindi kayo masusugat. Kasi ako prone yung skin ko sa ganun. So this is such a must-have, Fab Feet. You can get this at Beauty Bar. Last, panali sa buhok. Kailangan niyan kasi alam ko lagi nawawala mga panali sa buhok natin, girls. Kahit 100 na ang ganito natin, nawawala pa din. So make sure to put one in your basic, makeup kit just in case you need one. So yun lang ang laman ng ating basic makeup kit. Konti lang naman siya, but ang pinaka-importante, kung wala kayo ayaw mag-makeup, just have cheek tint and lipstick and you're ready to go. So yan ang aking basic makeup kit. It's nice na I shared it with you guys. So sana may natutunan kayo and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys want to find more about these things and everything, please do follow our social media accounts. Here has a screen. Follow, subscribe, share, and like.
Hey guys, I'm Thia Thomalla, your host from Glow Up. And today I'm going to show you my 5 essentials that I have in my everyday makeup kit. So first of all, I never leave the house without my face powder. It's very important for me to stay fresh, or to look fresh rather, if you can stay or feel fresh. Second, I always have with me blush on. Because I am the queen of blush on. You can actually ask my friends and that is accurate. And syempre, you can't have blush on without the blush brush. So, kasama na yun. So, this is number 2. For number 3 in my daily makeup kit would be mascara. Because for me, it's very important to make my eyes look alive when I wear mascara. And fourth, I always have with me a eyebrow not the eyebrow pencil, but I rather use the mascara for the eyebrow because I have already thick eyebrows, so hindi ko talaga kailangan yung pag-use ng pencil for my eyebrows. And lastly, here, I always bring with me a bigger comb because a brush is too big for a makeup kit, and this just goes perfectly to my makeup kit emergency bag. Sometimes you can also find this oil control sheet. This is number 6, even though it's I'm only supposed to say 5, but it's a bonus. So yeah, it's very important because I'm also very oily sometimes in my T-zone, so I always bring with me an oil control sheet to make me look fresh.
Hi guys, it's Michelle, your fellow Glow Up host, and today ipapakita ko sa inyo yung top 5 makeup essentials ko na ginagamit ko halos araw-araw. Simula na tayo. Game! First things first, kailangan mo ng maliit na lalagyanan. Of course, moisturizing is very important, especially sa country na katulad nito. We live in a very tropical country, so skincare is one of the most important things you can do for yourself. So always moisturize. Papakita ko sa inyo. This is Purity, made simple. So put that every day just to make sure na hindi masisira yung balat ko. Next item on my list of essentials is my concealer. Kasi po, yung sakit ko is eye bags lagi. Parang lagi yung nakukulangan ng tulog. I use concealer kasi syempre, lahat naman tayo may troubled areas. Sometimes you have a pimple here, sometimes our eye bags are too prominent. So, lagay-lagay lang, correct whatever you need correcting. Don't overdo it lang kasi baka mamutino lang tayo. Only in moderation and where you need it on your face. Next will be mascara. I don't know if you guys can see it, pero I am not gifted po with eyelashes. So, kailangan ko ma-define line kahit konti, kahit hindi ko na siya hindi na ako mag-falsies or whatever. Basta, I have to give it a little bit of color. So, that is why mascara is part of my essential list also. Next is my eyebrow pencil. Ayan. If I were to choose a piece of item in my kit na hindi pwedeng mawala sa akin, ito na yun. Ito. My eyebrow pencil. Kasi I believe na kapag maganda yung kilay mo, it kind of finishes the face. It structures and gives shape sa face mo. Parang, ikaw na lang, imagine mo wala kang kilay. Parang bitin, di ba? Yan. So, eyebrow pencil. Next, kailangan natin ng kulay. Sometimes kasi I'm very pale. I'm half Chinese, so medyo nag-yellow ako. So I like to put a little bit of color. Sometimes I want to be more peachy, so I put a little coral. Sometimes I want to be more glam, so I put a little darker red. Ayan. And then, last but not the least, lipstick. Kasi, ayaw naman po natin na pale yung lips natin. For one, I don't like pale lips. Kaya, pero hindi naman grabe. As in, I only choose nude just to color it up a little bit. Diba? So, ayan po, my top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My top 6 picks for everyday use. And this is me again, Michelle D, your fellow glow up host. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and let us know if you want more. Comment, subscribe, you know.